Good evening, students. Good evening, all of you. This is Dr. Subhashri doing your analytical reasoning session. Analytical reasoning is an important part of any recruitment process. The first step of your recruitment is attending the aptitude test of the recruiters. The sessions we are covering are all part of the analytical reasoning ability test or the aptitude test, which is conducted by the IT organizations. Every chapter we are taking is very important in terms of scoring marks, because the first step of the first only if you are out of the first step, only if you cross the first step, you are into the next set of rounds for your recruitment. Yesterday we were doing the geometric progression and what will be the nth term of the series, how to identify the nth term, how are we defining the series, how do we identify that this is a geometric progression, what is the basic principle of a geometric progression series. Can you just tell me what is that? How do we identify that it's a geometric progression? Can somebody tell me, which we saw in the last class? Can we see that? Can you tell me? I want to know a geometric series will look like A, AR, AR square, AR cube, etc. AR to the power n minus 1. This is the first in the series. This is the second item in the series. This is the third. This is the fourth. If you actually see, when r to the power 1, you have to first check the r to the power. What is it, r to the power? When it is the second item in the series, second term in the series, r is 1. That is the number in the series minus 1 is your power of r. When it is 3, it is 2. When it is 4, it is 3. So when it is n minus 1, this is the nth term. So the basic principle of geometric progression is the ratio between every two number is the same. Here it is a into r. Here AR into R is AR square. AR square into R is AR. So the difference, the ratio between each number is only R throughout. So it will be the same throughout. This is what we saw in the last class, yesterday's class. Now we will start. I will do one problem and you will do the next problem solving. Okay. If the first term of a GP is 20, this is a very simple problem. Okay. If the first term of the GP, what is the first term? First term. What is the first term in this? In this series, what is the first term in this series? What is the first term? I think some you are not able to see my screen. Good. Thank you very much. Are you able to see my screen now? Yes. Okay. Fine. Very good. Thanks, Akash. Very good. So in yesterday's class, we saw that AR geometric progression will look like this: AR square, AR cube, and so on. AR to the power n minus 1. A is the first term. AR is the second term. When we saw the term and the R to the power, the value in the R to the power, this one, sorry. When we see the R to the power, it's here it is 1 cube n minus 1. When the term is second, R to the power is 1, 2 minus 1. When it is a third term, the power is 3 minus 1. So when it is nth term, the power is n minus 1. Agreed? Did you agree with this? Do you all agree with this? Okay, very good. Is there any shortcut to find the power of any number? I can probably explore and come back to you. You can always find log. If it is 5 to the power 2, if any of you know to do this, 5 to the power 2, maybe 5 to the power 20. You want to know this, right? Arun? Something like 5 to the power 20. How to find out this number, correct? Arun? You are actually looking for that, right? 5 to the power 20, how to find out? Yes. 20 log 5. You have to find out 20 log 5. Then find the value of whatever it is. So 20 into log 5. What is the value of log 5? We can probably check in the Google now. Otherwise, you have to use the log book. Value of log 5. 0.6989. Now I will use calculator. 0.6989 into 20. 13.978. Now I have to find the anti-log of 13.978. Anti-log. He's asking us to calculate on our own. So that's how you have to find out. Nowhere it is given. Because you have to find 13 on one side and the other side, no? So he is asking us to find ourselves. But we can use logbook. Once you find out, what you will do is you will find the anti-log, then that value will be 5 to the power 20. This is one way. I will check if there are any other shortcut methods. Okay. And let you know in the next class. Fine. Okay. Let us get back here. Arun, I will come back to you. Okay. Now, coming back to the question we had. Now, let me go back to this question. If the first term of a GP, can you see my screen? Is the question clear? If the first term of a GP is 20 and the common ratio is 4, find the fifth term. It means, what is the first number? What does the first number refer to? Can you tell me what is the first number referring to? What is the first number referring to? What is the first number called? First number is A, right? Agreed? First number is always A. First number is always A. Correct? So this one, this particular problem says A is equal to 20. Common ratio is 4. Common ratio is R is equal to 4. They are asking us to find the fifth term. Fifth term is equal to A R to the power 5 minus 1 is 4. Correct? Do you understand this? Do you get this? Children, do you understand this fifth term? Fifth term is, nth term is AR to the power n minus 1. So fifth term is AR to the power 5 minus 1, which is 4. Agreed? Correct? Good. Very good. So now I know A. I know A, which is 20, into R. R is 4. 4 to the power 4. Tell me what is the answer? No, 5120 is the answer. Correct? Very good. Vishnu has already given the answer. Very good. Excellent. So now I will give you one sum, which you will do it and give me the answer. Okay? Sum of the first three terms of a GP is 2.5, 21 by 2. And their product is 7. Find the common ratio. They are giving you A, AR, AR square. Some series. The sum of these two terms, A plus AR plus AR square, is equal to 21 by 2. A into AR into AR square is equal to 27. Now this is the first equation. This is the second equation. I want you to solve this and find the common ratio. These are the first three terms. I will give you maybe 3 minutes. and start doing that. Okay, your time starts now. I will show you the screen. The sum of the first three terms doing it. You want any help? You want help? Could you find out? Did you find out? Sahaya Punita says it is 2. 2 is what? 2 is R is equal to 2. Very good. Then what is the first term? A. Let us do it. What they did, if you actually see, yesterday we did a similar example. We took a similar example. You remember? There are 3 terms. We can consider AR squared and AR cube. Did any of you think that we did it in a different way yesterday? Did we do it? We did this example yesterday, is it not? We did the same example yesterday. Is it not? Yes or no? Very good. Excellent. So let us do it for others. Though we can consider AR, AR square, we can also think of another example. AR. This is also a series with a similar ratio. A by R into R is A. A into R is AR. Next one will be AR square. So what this particular problem, how we did it, the same problem we did yesterday. We did the same problem using this. I thought some of you will tell me that we did it in a different way yesterday. Now you remember how we did? Yes or no? This problem we did yesterday. You remember or not? Okay, somebody says remember. Others forgot. How we took is, we did not take A plus AR square. We took it as A by R, A and AR. Let the first three terms be, you will write it as, let the first three terms, let the first three terms be A by R, A and AR. Now I am repeating this problem because when you are asked to do something like this, you always take the first three terms to be A by R, A and AR. Okay. Now I am going to delete this for your convenience. Now we are going to take, whenever you are asked to do it, you have to do like this. Fine? Agreed? First three terms. Take the first three terms. அப்படின்னு சொன்னா you will only take A by R, A, AR. இப்போ வந்து இதனுடைய sum என்ன? A by R. Sum is the total plus A plus AR is equal to 21 by 2. Now I have the product also. A by R into A into AR. Now I will cut this R and this R. This is multiplied by, this is divided by, which is equal to 27. So A cube is equal to 27. A is equal to 3. 3 into 3 into 3. We did a similar sum yesterday. Now we know A is equal to 3. Now I am going to substitute here. 3 by R, or this can be rewritten as A into 1 by R plus 1 plus R, which is equal to 21 by 2. Now I am bringing this A value to this side. So this is nothing but 3. I can cut this with this 7 by 2. So which is nothing but 1 by R plus 1. This 1 also I can take it to the other side. So 1 by R plus R is equal to 8 by 2. which is equal to 4. Agreed? All of you agreed? Did you agree with me? Following? So I will continue. Shall I continue? Give a thumbs up. All of you are awake. Whenever you are asked, given a problem, the sum of the first three numbers, sum of three numbers, you should take it as a by r, comma a, comma ar. Instead of taking ar, ar square, you have to take this. I gave you some time just to think what we did yesterday. Okay. So now this is nothing but, if I take 1 plus r square by r equal to 4. Can you tell me what is the answer of r? 1 r square plus minus 4r plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation. How will you solve a linear equation? Can you tell me how you will solve? Can you factorize this? Factorization தெரியுமா எல்லாருக்கும்? Do you know what is factorization? Do you know what is factorization? Can you tell me what is this? I'm asking you. Factorization, correct. Factorization பண்ணீங்கன்னா வரும், கரெக்டா? See, in a problem, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுத்துட்டு find the mistake in the problem னு கூட கொடுப்பாங்க. Find the mistake in the problem. First and last value will be the multiplied, and very good, excellent, excellent. இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் பண்ணும்போது இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சம் கொடுத்துருவாங்க. வாட் ஐ ஹவ் டன்னோ, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சம் கொடுத்துட்டு கேன் யூ ஃபைண்ட் த மிஸ்டேக் இன் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம், ஃபைண்ட் த மிஸ்டேக். அதுக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. லைன் 1, லைன் 2, லைன் 3, லைன் 4, இந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்துட்டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் த மிஸ்டேக் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வாட் டிட் யூ லேர்ன்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங், இந்த மாதிரி மூணு ஜியோமெட்ரிக் ப்ரோக்ரஷன்ல 3 அடிஷன், sum of 3 terms அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தா you will use a by r, a and ar. Then now I am telling you another problem. You will be asked to find the mistake in the problem, in the solution. The problem is solved like this. Can you identify the mistake? அப்படின்னு வரும். Did you identify any mistake in this? Did you identify any mistake? I was doing it correct, right? Do you find any mistake in this? Children, I am showing you the problem again because I want you to find out the mistake which I have done here. I have done a mistake here. In this solutioning, I have made a mistake. You have to tell me what is that mistake. Can you find out the mistake? Yes, I am showing you the solution which I was deriving. I want you to find out if there is any mistake. Let me come back here. Do you find any mistake? Yes. Give a thumbs up. I have not made any mistake. Thumbs down. It's update opposite. If I have made a mistake, yes, I have made a mistake. Thumbs up. If I have not made any mistake, LHS plus 1 transfer to 1 RHS. I think Vignesh is trying to identify the problem or tell me the problem. Good Vignesh. Good start. I want thumbs up and thumbs down. If I am right, if I have made a mistake, thumbs up. Thumbs up, please, if I have made a mistake. If I have not made any mistake, thumbs down. Excellent. Vishnu, yes, you are also coming up with the answer. Very good. So, when you are given a problem in the aptitude test, you may also get problems like find out the mistake. Okay, and they will give you some choices. Now, let us go back to the problem statement and let us see. Do you all see my screen? Sum of the first terms is 21 by 2. A by R plus A plus this one is correct. 21 by 2. 1 by R plus 1 plus 1R. 21 by 2. This 3 of A, we brought it here. So 3 we cut and found out. R square plus R plus 1 is equal to 7 by 2 R. Did I make a mistake here? Did I make a mistake here? Did I make or not? Children, tell me no. This is the right answer. Now you tell me if I have made a mistake. What is the mistake I did? ஏதோ ஒரு மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிருக்கேன்ல இங்க. What the mistake I did was, நான் இங்க வந்து ஆர்னு இருக்கு, அந்த ஆர்னு இருக்கிறத வந்து எடுத்துக்காம இந்த ஒன்னை இங்க எடுத்துன்னு போய் பிளஸ் ஒன்னு மாத்திட்டேன். 7 plus 1 நான் எடுத்துட்டேன். 7 plus 1 எடுத்துக்க கூடாது. 7 by 2 நான் அப்படியே ரீடைன் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். Correct, not 8 by 2. Correct, Vignesh. You are right. It is not 8 by 2, it is 7 by 2 only. This is how you have to find out if there are any mistakes. Got it? Children, you got it? All of you? Now thumbs up, please. You will also get problems like this. Thumbs up, please, from all of you. Very good. So, R square plus R plus 1 is equal to 7 by 2 into R. R square minus 5 by 2R. இந்த ஆரும் இந்த ஆரையும் club பண்றாங்க. 7 by 2R will, when it comes this side, it will be minus 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus 1 ஆர்னு இருக்கும். அது வந்து டினாமினேஷன் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த 2 அதுக்கு வந்து they took an LCM. LCM எடுத்து இந்த ஆன்சர் வந்தது. When they factorize this, r minus 2 into r minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 ன்னு வந்திருக்கும் அதுல, which is nothing but r r minus 2 into r minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So r minus 2 is equal to 0, no, r is equal to 2. R minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, no, r is equal to half. இப்படிதான் எடுத்துட்டு வந்திருப்பாங்க. Got it? You have to find this, how to factorize this. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus a plus b into a minus b. A square plus 2 plus or minus அந்த இதை வச்சு you have to factorize. இந்த later இதுல வந்து linear equations னு வருது. We will discuss in detail about factorization. Fine. Find the geometric progress for which the sum of the first two terms is minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third number. Fifth term is 4 times the third number. Either which can you just find out quickly? How will you do? You just tell me how we will start. First term is, I will show you that. Find the geometric progression for which the sum of first two terms is 4 minus 4 and the fifth term is 4 times the third term. மூணாவது term மாதிரி 4 times ஆ, மூணாவது term into 4 times. 4 into third term is the fifth term. Second term வந்து first two terms உடைய sum வந்து minus 4. Can you find the geometric series? Yeah, how will you start? You tell me how you will start. You just tell me how you will start. You can just think wildly, no? Just think wildly how you will start with this. Sum of the first two terms is minus 4. Fifth term and the third term are 4 times. Third term into 4 is fifth term. Can you think? How you will start? And a by r போடுவீங்களா? A by r ar போடுவீங்களா? இல்ல a plus ar square போடுவீங்களா? How you will start? How you will start? Just thinking, Damin. How you will think? What will be the first term? Just tell me now how you will start the first solutioning. A by r. Okay, first term will be a by r. So what you will do is, I will copy that problem here. I want you to think how we will solve this problem. Come tomorrow. I want you to first think how you will think. A by r first term irukkalama illa a first term irukkalama. How are we going to take it? Agreed? If you agreed, give a thumbs up. Tomorrow I want you to think and come for the class. Very good. So all of you will think for a solution for this problem and come to the class tomorrow. Okay? Okay. Good day to all of you. Thank you very much. And next teacher is already there. Over to you, Kritika.
Thank you, Shubha.
Yeah.
It is 6:40.